Kyocera understands that sometimes toner gets replaced a little bit too early, which can often drive the cost of your service contract up. These drawers lock until it's actually time to open that toner cartridge and switch it out. Let's talk about waste toner. Think about all of the little fibers that come off of your paper and even the little bits of toner. What's great is that all of these devices have waste toner. Think of it kind of like a vacuum cleaner bag. Sometimes it gets full and needs to be emptied. Right here is a door specifically designed for that waste toner bottle, right here. What's unique to Kyocera copiers is that your black toner, once it's empty, can be taken out and used as a new waste toner bottle. It keeps you from having a service call that you weren't expecting.